So what are some of the key takeaways that we can learn from Subway's recent decision that they're going to switch, at least in the U.S., from Coca-Cola products to PepsiCo products? I think it's fascinating, not just this decision, but about 18 months ago, Dunkin Donuts also announced they were going to convert from Coke to Pepsi. And really, if you look at the top 5 restaurant chains, the largest restaurant chains in the U.S., at least by number of locations, now we've got a situation where just in the last 18 months, Pepsi went from having, control over one of the top 5 now to 3. So they were a majority just in the last couple of years. And really, of those top 5, one of those is Starbucks, which doesn't really serve either of the company's products. So Pepsi's made some huge changes and some huge advances in the last couple of years, which I think is very relevant and very significant for the industry. It tells us a lot of things, but at the very least, it tells us that some of the largest chains out there aren't afraid to switch beverage suppliers. And it also tells us the beverage companies are hungry right now, and they're being aggressive, and they're not afraid to make some bold moves.